pressure. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be taking you through the Panama Canal. From entering the first lock, this can usually take about 8 to 10 hours to make the full transit into the Pacific Ocean. Throughout the video today, I will be giving you a few sneaky hints and tips of what to do if you're thinking of making the crossing yourself. Anyway, all that's left to say is, let's get into the video. Good morning. We snuck and we got up early, haven't we? Where are we? The Panama Canal. Welcome to the baby club. This is such a great area to just come and hang out when the kids need to burn off a little bit of steam, and the kids club is closed. Parker actually prefers it in here most of the time, don't you, Mike?
Oh yeah,
yeah, than being outside. Outside is so hot at the minute, so this is perfect. Look at all these toys. What are we going to play with today? Things to consider if you're thinking of making the crossing yourself are: number one, prepare for a long day. It is an early start if you're going to be making the crossing, so be prepared, set an alarm clock and know that you're going to be stood for quite a long time. It is amazing, it is a great experience, but it is also a very long day. Number two, choose your spot. So on board the ship, everybody is going to be watching as we sail through the Panama Canal, so finding somewhere that's quite quiet with a great view spot is key. So we actually were sat next to somebody who'd cruised through the Panama Canal before, and what he said to us was, at the end of the corridors where the staterooms are sneaky little balconies on the front and at the back of the ship, and these were not as busy as the main deck, so that is where we chose to spend our time as we crossed through the Panama Canal. And it was quite a good little tip because it was not busy where we were stood at all. Another thing to consider is if you're thinking of crossing, a balcony is great, but you're only going to get one side view, whereas the front of the ship is a perfect place to stand if you're going to be crossing through. And number four, I'm not sure if every cruise line does this, but our cruise line actually had an itinerary of the full crossing with times that we would be going through each lock. so make sure to check that out. As we cruised through the Panama Canal, we were actually invited to make a toast, as this was our captain's first time sailing through the Panama Canal. Overall, this was a really special day spent with our children as we made our way into the Pacific Ocean. If you're enjoying this journey, give us a subscribe, as next week we'll be heading for Costa Rica. See you soon!